Private resort sa Plaridel na good for 20 packs for only 6,000 pesos. Tara! Mga kanoos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa Purok 5, Barangay Dampol, Plaridel, Bulacan, malapit lang sa St. Michael de Arcangel Church upang mag-staycation sa Balay Cristina. Actually, dalawang property ang resort nila. Ang isa is main at ang isa ay ang annex. Tara muna sa main, malawak ang resort pagpasok na good for activities. Garden on this side na pwede din pagtambayan. Gazebo na may videoke at table sets naman dito. Ito naman ang kanilang 4 to 6 feet swimming pool na perfect ang kanilang fountain for your refreshing shot. Free use of one big room with 2 double-deck beds with aircon that can accommodate up to 15 packs. And syempre, free use of extra mattress, pillow, and blankets na din yan. Ito naman ang kanilang kitchen area na may kasama ng refrigerator, stove, at cooking wares. May tambayan na nipahat at ito naman ang kanilang comfort room area. For their annex branch, which is malapit lang sa main, has a wider and open space for activities na meron ding 4 to 6 feet swimming pool and meron ding pavilion na pwede nyo i-book for your events katulad ng ganitong setup. O, di ba? They also have a nipa hut and hammock on this area na masarap tambayan dahil mapuno. Ito naman ang kanilang dining area na may karaoke na pwede kayo mag-video kay One to Sawa. And another dining area here. May provided kitchen area where you can cook with their cooking wares. Pwede mo din i-check ang cage ng kanilang lovebirds na maaliw talaga ang mga kids. For their rooms, may 3 air-conditioned room sila dito. This one has a queen-size bed at this bungalow naman na may terrace may 2 rooms na kaya hanggang 15 packs in total. FYI na both resorts are pet-friendly. They have free Wi-Fi and you can find them on Waze app. For the rates, ilalagay ko na lang ito sa comment box section for your future reference. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Balay Cristina sa Plaridel, Bulacan. Let's go!